So then let's dive into the actual traps. What are the two traps that keep us all from good time management? Remember I told you the tsunami? Here it is, y'all. The tsunami happens twice a week. Remember the signals, the water pulling back, and you know it's time to run. Anybody want to take a guess? Now, if you've been in my workshop before, you can't say it. But if you think you know it, I want to hear some guesses. What do you think happens in the middle of the week that causes the tsunami to ruin everyone's schedule for the next week? Any guesses? Any guesses?
New projects arise.
Yeah, could be. That's good. But it's not new projects. We all do it, by the way. We're all addicted to it. Somebody taught us how to do this. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. Let me show it to you. It happens usually at the beginning of Wednesday, definitely by noon, and it kills the rest of the week. Here it is.
Uh-oh. Guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? Huh? Anybody? Julie, hey, guess what day it is? Oh, come on, I know you can hear me. Mike. What day is it, Mike? Leslie, guess what today is?
It's hump day.
Honey, how happy are folks who save hundreds of dollars switching to Geico? I'd say happier than a camel on Wednesday.
Hump day?
Get happy. Get Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more.
I have to let the whole commercial go through because I get paid 20 cents every time I share this commercial. Guys, hump day is the tsunami. When you see Tuesday arriving and you see Wednesday arriving, that's the water. That's the water because everybody pulls back. Everybody disconnects. Everybody hangs back. Hey, Lydia, I want to talk to you. Can we meet Thursday? Nah, call me Monday. Let's do that next week. Let's do that Tuesday. And we all say, sure. And so trying to schedule somebody on Friday, not going to happen. Trying to schedule something for Wednesday afternoon, not going to happen. Trying to get people to really work on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday ain't going to happen because we've all trained everybody in corporate America to do what? That water recedes, to disconnect. And so one time somebody challenged me and said, nah, come on, Maurice. And I said, look, it's everywhere. I took the cameras out to the street and caught a random guy. Have you ever heard of hump day?
Wednesday,
What does that mean?
middle of the week. Right? You start down here on Monday, middle of the week is the hump, and then downhill after that.
So what does everybody start? What happens to everybody's head when hump day happens?
Almost the weekend. That's right.
So what is Thursday? Is Thursday as productive as Tuesday?
Probably not.
What about Friday?
No, definitely. The whole rat race machine, like trying to get something done when the person you're trying to reach is checking out. Use the phrase, it's all downhill.
It's all downhill after that.
Yeah.
Okay. So everybody's disconnected. By Thursday, 2:00, everybody has checked out. What has happened between Wednesday at noon and Thursday, 2:00? You know, say by Friday, try to set up meetings. Everybody says, you know what? Just call me Monday. So everybody pushes everything into Monday. And Monday becomes what?
That's the rat race, baby.
So what happens is this concept right here. We waste an enormous amount of time on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday because everyone's disconnecting. Look, I enjoy the fun. I get on the elevator. Hey, it's hump day. Ooh, I'll do that with anybody. Absolutely. Look, guys, I enjoy it. I have fun with it. Hump day. It's hump day. Okay. But basically what we need to have is, hey, it's hump day. Everybody get to work. We got to prepare for the weekend instead of pulling back and disconnecting because what's about to happen Wednesday and Thursday is huge disconnecting. What are we all doing on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday? We're all shoving things into where? Come on, unmute your mics on this one. Where are we sticking all that stuff?
On Monday.
On Monday. And Monday becomes what?
Rat race.
It becomes the tsunami. And we are in desperate mode. We can't triage. We make decisions that are just not good decisions, and then look at how little time we actually have to do what we wanted to do. Tuesdays and half of Wednesdays, perhaps, and then it's hump day all over again. But you know what? I'm not going to treat my Wednesday and Thursday and Friday in a hump day attitude and lower things. I'm going to get ahead of the rat race on Monday, and everybody can be in a rat race, but not me. And if you don't have this approach that says, I'm not going to get caught in the corporate tsunami, because everybody works from this. And then what's worse, we all then set up all our executive meetings on Monday, and everybody sets up let's organize things on Monday. Well, here's what that looks like. Everybody comes to those meetings at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. I love the fact that your company has said no meetings on Monday mornings. I can't say I had a little influence on that, but I'm glad that y'all did that. So your meetings really should start Monday afternoon or Tuesday, because what happens is this. this. Everybody shows up on Monday meetings and no one's really engaged because everyone's being flooded with emails. And in those meetings, we're making decisions that have to be made. We're going to start implementing those decisions when? When do we start implementing those decisions? Next week or this week? This week.
Yeah.
So therefore, the leaders come out of these meetings making decisions that go announce things to their employees and basically change everyone's goals and the things that we're going to do because we changed direction. And yet you wonder why your employees are disengaged, frustrated, overwhelmed, and they can't get ahead of anything. You know what? It's not worth preparing. Why? Because things are going to change radically on Monday. So we're just going to have to get flooded by it. We have to get ahead of this and say, this does not work anymore. This whole habit of decreasing activities and increasing disengagement on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and then that causing the tsunami of rat race on Monday, that doesn't work. And if we don't get ahead of this, anything we say in time management will not work. All right, somebody tell me what you think.
I don't know, but you scheduled these classes right in the middle of our prime working time.
I know. It's hilarious that you bring that out because when I'm training time management, I have to jump in and interrupt somewhere. So ideally, all right, ready? When should we have been doing these classes? This type of stuff should happen where? What part of the week?
Thursday, right?
Thursdays and Fridays when the whole world is disconnecting. Well, let's use that time to prepare, educate ourselves, and prepare for next week. And so Wednesday afternoons, Thursday and Friday are the ideal times to align, prepare, train. Why? Because we're not going to be able to stop the onslaught of the corporate, our members and clients tsunami that happens on Monday. So let's be more ready on Monday to catch everything and manage the enormous onslaught that happens. But we crowd up our Monday, we crowd up our Tuesday, where we could space some of this stuff out and make better use of Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday when things are low anyway. Do you see the psychology of this? It's being able to judo this thing the other direction because we're dealing with time. So managing time as a group, as an organization, allowing us to make better use of Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday allows us to then use that time to focus on the onslaught of issues and problems that our guests, our clients, our customers are having, and not be in meetings all the time on Mondays and Tuesdays. That's a tall order, but y'all think about it. I'm going to send you guys a link to your self-assessment. Take it, send it to me. I'll give you your scorecard, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Great job getting to this point. So as you heard in the training there, it's time to take your time management self-assessment. You'll find the link in the notes and description below this video. It's a link to a Google document. Complete it and send it to me or send it to one of our other coaches in the program. We'll get the results back to you promptly, and then we'll invite you to our open hours to discuss in more detail your specific areas to improve, or we'll invite you to join us in one of our group training sessions. Either way, message us, message me when you're finished with it and send it to us. Great job again, and I look forward to hearing from you.